welcome to my channel. This was my first video, so allow me to introduce myself. I am Rufa Almero, third year BS Computer Science student at Kolehiyo ng Lungsod ng Lipa. Aside from being a student, I am also a wife and a mother of 2 lovely daughters. So this video was supposed to be a school project about installing an antivirus on a PC or a laptop. But I will try to make it look more like a tutorial. So let's go! So let's just go to the internet browser. Then type AVAST free antivirus on the search bar. Then click AVAST free antivirus, download free antivirus. Then the page will be directed to the profile, and then we will just going to click free download. The screen will display the steps for installation and start downloading. After downloading, we will just click the notification bar. Then the screen will display. Install. Click install. And wait for it to finish installing. After installing, we'll just close this and go on the icon on the drop down menu. Then the screen will display and continue with free. Then we will try to run our first scan. Then the screen will display preparing for smart scan. Then this will automatically scan for browser threats, and then this will display. After that, this will display no threats found, no browser threats found. Just click next. Click there. We're just going to click next. Then it will display no malware found. Next again. And lastly, it will scan for advanced threats. We can just skip this, but here we will wait for it to finish. Then this will be the result. Then we'll just skip this part. Skip. Then this will display scan finished, and then click done. Voila! This computer is protected, and every time we download files or anything, the software will automatically scan the files for protection. So that was the end of our video. Hope you guys learn, and thank you for watching.